Hey everyone, this is Mead here. I thought I would jump on a little video and talk about the Patreon that I just started. So Patreon has a couple of good options because you can put stuff into collections, everything can be sequenced, and you have a place to add files as well as video and images and text. So what I'm doing with the Patreon is um, creating really extensive, full on courses that go into even more depth than I can do in a college class. In a college class, we have a limited amount of time. It's anywhere from like 6 to 16 weeks, and you have about like 48 to 96 hours of time where you try to teach somebody everything that you know about a particular topic to get them where they need to be to go on to the next level. That means that the amount of stuff that you can show has to be restricted to just like the bare essentials. It doesn't give you the full detail. So that's where the Patreon's gonna come in. My first list is gonna be what you would cover in an intro to drawing class. So that's gonna be basic planes, forms, the combination of forms, object drawing, simplified object lighting, then landscape drawing and plants, um, linear perspective, both 1 and 2 point, and how to construct that. After that, it'll get into more what you would encounter in drawing 2 world, which is what I call like wonky objects, vehicle drawing, um, inventive landscape where you create your own fictional landscape, inventive perspective where you design a building, animalistic monster drawing as opposed to humanoid monster drawing, as well as how you overlay texture onto form. And the basic course outline is you get the intro to all the material, then you get the theory behind why all that works. So the course is kind of split into the basic concept of non-technical drawing with some basic tools and techniques, then into the technical side of drawing. So that's part of it, but it's kind of like off on the side more as an appendix. Then every course is also going to have a digital version of how you can take advantage of all of these tools in a digital environment where you're using either Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, Procreate, or whatever to create all of these things. And then there's going to be the assignment. What should you practice to put all this into implementation, and how much should you practice it? The last component is going to be the sort of feedback component. And what we'll do for maybe like the first few people that turn in work based on these assignments and are willing to have it sort of like publicly available is I'll pull everything into a critique video and use those works, critique them, show the main sort of like pitfalls and problems that people have and how to fix them and how to self-diagnose. So the tiers of the Patreon as it stands right now are the $1 sort of shout out thing. If you just want to support me and the work and the channel, I'll give you a shout out in the credits of all the videos that I produce. There's the $5 tier, which is going to be like the exclusive content. So that'll be things that go into depth, like sketchbook tours, like in their full format, whereas a sketchbook tour might take 30 to 45 minutes to explain what's going on in it within the Patreon environment. The YouTube version of that would be like the 10 to 15 minute like reduced version. And then the $20 tier is like the full course access. So that's everything that I put out in terms of course material, all the assignments and everything like that. That's just going to be the $20 tier. I'm also going to do one-time purchases of each course when it's complete. The $50 tier is going to be the feedback tier. You get to choose between a 30-minute meeting with me where you can ask questions and I can go over your work and do whatever you want to do with that 30 minutes. Or you get a 30-minute video recording of feedback. And for right now, I'm going to limit that to just 10 spots because I don't know how big the interest is. If the interest is really huge, maybe we'll have to increase it and go from there. That's kind of my mission, is to like expand access to good art knowledge and to make sure that nothing's like unclear or gate kept, or you feel like there's not like a path. And I know like charging for stuff feels like gatekeeping, but it is my job. I take it seriously. I buy new books all the time. I take classes myself and try to find out what other people are doing and pull good information from them and try to synthesize it into my sort of approach in the way that it makes sense for me. Anything monetarily helps. I also think that when you put money forward into something that you're trying to learn, you're investing in yourself and you take it seriously because you're like, I'm paying for this. I'm gonna work at it. I know I have that experience because I try to learn guitar, and when I've bought courses and pay for instruction, like I do the work to practice it. I just really hope that I can put something useful out that people are gonna enjoy and get a lot of benefit out of. I want to clear up questions that everyone has and give you concrete answers on how to fix them. Like all my skill in art is hard fought. It's taken me years to learn all this stuff. Sometimes with any one particular concept, I have students that pick it up within 3 to 6 months, whereas it took me like 3 to 6 years. And I think that's really cool, you know? In some sense, you just kind of like, man, this took me forever. But in another sense, it's really great that another generation of artists is having an easier time of it than me. That's great, because this stuff isn't easy. And I wish it were easier. And I'm going to do everything that I can to make it more accessible and make the learning more clear, better, and in a good logical order that's learnable, repeatable, and empowering. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you find some value in the Patreon. And if you have more questions about it, let me know, and we'll discuss it all from there. Thanks a lot, and I will catch you soon.